this next video, which is on slowly changing dimensions that we will implement using Azure DataBricks, right? So what are slowly changing dimensions? Basically it means like if we are copying data from a source and syncing it into a destination, right? Then the way we want to capture that data, like that describes like the slowly changing dimensions, right? So there are a couple of ways we can implement that, right? Type 1 SCD, type 1 slowly changing dimension. What it means is like we update the changes, that happened in source and insert new rows, right? So basically means like if we have a source and if we have a destination where we are syncing the data, so what we in type 1 slowly changing dimensions, what we do, we update the changes. Let's say in the source for a key some field changed, then we capture that field and we update the we update the similar change in the destination, right? And if a new row comes in the source, then we insert that row as it is in the destination. So this is SCD1. If you think about it, this is same as our incremental load that we have set up, right? And type 2 SCD, what it basically means is like, okay, if any change happens in source, like a change happened in source, then what we do, we capture that change, and while putting it in the destination, what we do, let's say for a key, let's say we had a key A, for that a field was earlier 1, right? Just think about it. I'm just taking example. We had a key and earlier it was 1 and now it changed to from A1 to A, 2, right? So what we'll do, like in the destination, it will be something like this, A1, and we'll version this. So we can version this with date or with the flag like is active flag for we'll archive this. So we'll say this is not active, will not overwrite or update in the same, and then we'll insert the A, 2, and we will say this is active, right? So this is the basic premise of slowly changing dimensions, SCD2. And a new row comes, then we always insert with the active status, right? But if the existing row comes again, like if we had A1, then it came with key A came with 2, right? Then what we did, for 1 we archived it, we made it non-active, and for 2 we made it active, right? This is how we maintain our records in slowly changing dimension 2. So for our purposes, we have implemented this in our ADF also, right? So we'll implement this again in Azure DataBricks, right? And we'll use delta tables. So what are delta tables? So in delta tables, the concept is to keep our data in file storage only and apply schema after it, right? So what we do, we in this, like when we did this incremental load, we copied it from one SQL based database to another SQL based database. But here what we'll do, we'll copy it from a SQL based database first to our ADLS storage account, and from there we'll copy into another container which will contain these delta tables, right? All right, we'll see this action in the next all this implemented in next videos. Thank you.